In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your way through ordering on DoorDash step by step. First, let's start by heading over to DoorDash's main website. You can easily find this by typing DoorDash into your search engine, and you'll be directed to the homepage where you can explore a range of services from food to retail and more, all ready to be delivered right to your door. This is your first crucial step as it sets the stage for everything we'll be doing next. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to focus on selecting the category of items you're interested in ordering. This could range from food, groceries, or retail products. Simply navigate through a selection menu that should be displayed prominently, allowing you to make your choice with ease. Perhaps you're craving a tasty meal or you need some groceries promptly delivered. Whatever it is, this is the moment to pinpoint exactly what you need. Now that you've narrowed down your category, it's time to delve deeper by clicking on the specific product you wish to purchase. You'll see a variety of options from different vendors, each displaying their own menus or product lists. Spend a little time browsing these options to ensure you select the product that perfectly fits your needs. Once you've made up your mind, click on the item. This action takes you to a more detailed page. Here on the product page, the next step is to review the details carefully. You'll find descriptions, pricing, and possibly some customization options, whether you need a specific condiment on your burger or a different size for a clothing item. Take a moment to consider your choices here. These options are often designed to enhance your overall experience, ensuring you get exactly what you desire. Feeling satisfied with your selections? Fantastic. It's time to add the item to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. You'll notice the total price prominently displayed, offering clarity about what you're about to spend. This action ensures your item is reserved and ready to be reviewed before you finalize your purchase. With your cart now populated with your selections, the final step is to proceed to checkout. Locate the shopping cart icon typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you click on this icon, you'll be directed to a page summarizing your potential order. Here you'll be able to make last-minute adjustments, enter delivery details, and then pursue the payment gateway to complete your transaction. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can confidently make your orders using DoorDash, ensuring that your demands are met efficiently and conveniently right from the comfort of your home. Thank you for following along, and happy ordering.